In this review video, we'll be taking a look at the power efficiency guide and see how to easily generate insane amounts of energy. I'm talking about a simple device that can be used by any family around the world, and can even change the course of the entire energy industry. Over the past year, over 17,000 people have also already successfully used the very same technique to get over tragic milestones such as hurricanes, snowstorms or floods. Honestly, it's like nothing you've ever seen, and in a few minutes from now you'll be outraged you ever paid a single cent to Big Electric. So you absolutely need to watch this short video today, while it's still up. So to begin with, the Power Efficiency Guide is an online program that teaches you how to cut your energy bill and usage significantly by creating your own energy source. It teaches you to build your very own energy source that's cheap, safe, and easy to do. It's based on a spinning principle that is used in electric cars today, which can be made with easy-to-obtain materials. This is also the same principle found in nature, and it basically involves using a multiplication rule that takes a small amount of energy and multiples it via the spinning principle. And if all of this doesn't make sense to you, don't worry. It's complete with detailed instructions, carefully listed in correct order, lists of proper tools, materials needed, pictures and diagrams. You'll be amazed at just how easy it is to decrease your electricity bills and start using your own source of energy. Click the link below for more details now. Real social proof. You actually don't need any type of building experience. You just have to place the right materials in the right position and, voila, you have power. This power is strong enough to light up your entire home, turn on your refrigerator, and run the appliances. The method doesn't use any fire nor does it release dangerous fumes, so it's entirely safe to use and implement into your home even with little ones running around. When you purchase the program, you also receive 4 bonus programs at no extra charge to you. They are: Bonus 1, Reducing Energy Waste. Bonus 2, Meyer Magnet Motor. Bonus 3, Power from Smith Generator. Bonus 4, Lighting History. Additionally, you do receive a 60-day money-back guarantee. But once you see how easy this program is to complete, there's no way you'll want to go back to high bills and unreliable electricity. But with that being said, if you want more info on the Power Efficiency Guide, that you can get immediate online access to at home, within a moment's notice to get rid of the burden of costly electric bills, click the link in the description below. Listen, you don't have to pay a fortune on electricity anymore. You won't have to send another dime to the same energy conglomerates who are getting rich off your family's financial struggles. Click the link in the description below right now to learn how an easy-to-use system can save you a fortune on electricity. Good luck. I can't wait to see your life change for the better like mine has. For more information, click the link below. Thanks for watching our video.